Namaste. Hi, greetings to everyone. Welcome to my channel Living Miniatures. Friends, today I have got a railway layout which is approximately 3 feet by 2 feet. So we will have a quick tour of this layout followed by some model railway action and an introduction to my locomotive. So let's get started. As you can see, this is a night setting. What we have here is the yard master's cabin and the yard master. Also, we can see that there are three railway lines, out of which two lines are sidings and one is a main line. On this siding here, we can see a tank wagon and a passenger wagon. On this siding, we see a goods wagon loaded with barrels, all ready to go, along with a small loading unloading bay and a yard assistant. On the main line, we have a small platform with the locomotive and the loco pilot, who is also all set to go. Apart from this, here we have a switch or a point, which is a manual point, and of course there is our pointsman. Also, we have light signal systems in place. We also have a shunting signal and some markings such as FM. The fouling mark. So I think we are all set for some railroad action. passenger coach has been brought to the platform. Point has been set for the goods wagon. Point is set for the platform. The shunting signal is now off. The green signal has been given. The loco pilot has also given the green flag. The flash signal or the flasher is also on. I think the train is ready to depart. So friends, a word about my loco. This is my own series L101. It has two motors with gears and all four wheels are powered. It is battery operated and runs on 4 pencil cells, which I can remove. This is the headlight in case I need to change it, so I simply have to pull it out and then I can again insert it. The control unit is here. This is the switch for the headlights. And this is the other view. And the top view. It has lot of pulling power, as you will see in my other videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon. Take care. Till then, bye.